Have you ever came home from work and just feel for a hot cup of tea and just relax in your recliner, relax on the porch, relax wherever you want to relax and just have this hot cup of tea? Well, I have the perfect tea blend for you because this is a tea blend that I would normally use, that I developed myself. And this is my bottle. And as you can see, my bottle is totally empty. So I have to make some. So I said, you know what? I'm going to bring my family in the kitchen with me to make this tea blend. So if you are here for the first time, my name is Annie. If you are returning, thank you so much for stopping back. And welcome, welcome, welcome to all the newcomers. And I hope that you don't make this the last time. If you like the content when it's done, then you can just subscribe to the channel and you will get lots more recipes. And this channel, I do a lot of everything. I also have a kitchen channel, which I would probably put this recipe on too. But let's get on to making our tea blend now. So the first herb that I wanted to, the unfortunate thing is just now I did this video and I don't know, for some reason I lost all the footage. So I have to do it over. So I can have two sets, two sets of this tea blend. So I think what I'm going to do is probably take one for my daughter or something. But I have, this is a half cup and this is a quarter cup. So some herbs I'm going to be using a half cup and some I'm going to be using a quarter cup. So this is my chamomile herb and I'm going to be using a half cup for this because chamomile is such a relaxing herb. It is very, very, very relaxing. I have some lemon balm here, and this is a great tea. You can use it by itself at night. It is just a great nighttime tea. And it is because it smells a little like mint, so it has this minty flavor, sort of. So that is my lemon balm. And I also put in a half cup of that. If you are like me and you like teas, it's very good to sometimes try your own tea blends. But if you feel that you might be allergic to something here, the best thing for you to do is to leave it out. Just because I'm not a medical doctor or anything like that. This is strictly for informational purposes only. So it is nothing, to diagnose anything. It's just if you feel like you want, to just unwind and relax. So I have some holy basil here as well. So I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use a half cup of the holy basil because holy basil, that's so good for you as well. So I'm going to use a half cup. What I'm going to do is put in the actual body some of the some of the benefits of these herbs. Now this is my lavender. I'm going to put a quarter cup because lavender tends to take over stuff. So you don't want it to be too strong. So I'm just going to put, this is just a quarter cup of my lavender. And then I have my passion flower. You can leave this out if you don't want to, because passion flower tends to make you go to sleep. It's also a relaxing herb, but it tends to make you go to sleep. But you know, if I want something stronger, I would normally have a passion flower tincture that I would normally use. Actually, I have a sleep tincture that has passion flower in it. So I'm just gonna use a quarter cup of my passion flower as well, because I don't want too much for it to be able to go to sleep. But you trust me, you are going to love this tea blend. Now I have some rose petals here, and I am just putting in the rose petals to make it pretty, actually, because rose petals is gonna make it real florally. It's gonna taste. It's just gonna take it over the top, and it's also gonna give it a little spice of color. So I am putting in a quarter cup of my rose petals, and that is it for our herbs inside of here. So we are gonna let me push these aside. We are gonna mix this up now, but I'll bring you around. So we are just gonna mix these all up. And the thing about this, if you like ginger and you wanted to put some ginger in this, you can also do that. But look how pretty this is. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. Yeah, these are some big stems from the chamomile. But you see how the rose petals just take it over the top and make it so pretty. So that is our tea blend. And I hope that I know this was like a very, very quick recipe. All right, well, this can't use this peony one here. And we are just gonna, it might be a little too much for here, but it looks so pretty. It is a pretty tea. All right. All right. I think that is enough for it here. I'm going to put some in another container. And this is our unwinding tea. And I hope that you like this recipe, because trust me, when you get home and you take a cup of this tea and you just sit down for a little bit, it is going to make you feel so much more relaxed. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, my name is Annie. And if you enjoy the recipe, just give me a like. Just consider it, Consider giving me a like, a share, and a subscribe. I don't like, there's no need to really ask people to do these things anymore, but sometimes it's still good to remind. All right. So you have an awesome, awesome day. And until I see you again, I am going to do another video with me actually making this tea. So stay tuned for that, because that's going to be a part 2 of this one.